Hello student, in this video we will learn about the periodic properties. First, periodic classification of the element. Modern periodic table is based on modern periodic law. Modern periodic law which state that the properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. That is, if the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers, after certain intervals there will be repetition in the properties of the elements. Or in other words, the elements falling in the same group will show similar properties. In this modern periodic table, atomic number is the important. This is our modern periodic table. Now, main features of our periodic table. The elements are classified on the basis of more fundamental property of an atom, which is atomic number. By placing element in their increasing order of atomic numbers. Here, some of the major anomalies of Mendeleev periodic table can be removed in our modern periodic table. See here in our modern periodic table. The horizontal rows are called as the periods, and there are 7 periods in total. The first period has only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Okay, in first period there are only 2 elements present, hydrogen and helium. Second period start from lithium, means Li, and ends at neon, means Ne. Second period start from lithium and ends at neon. Second period include 8 elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus and neon. Third period include only 8 elements starting from sodium, Na and ending at argon. Here sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. These are 8 elements present in third periods. These first 3 periods are called as the short periods. Both fourth as well as fifth period including 18 elements. Fourth period starting from potassium and ending at krypton. Fifth period starting from rubidium and ending at xenon. The sixth period is of 32 elements from cesium to radon. The fourth, fifth and sixth period are known as the long period. The last, seventh period is incomplete with 19 elements from francium to dubnium. These periods can be shown as Here hydrogen and helium. First period. In second period, lithium to neon, and third period, sodium to argon. These three periods known as the short periods. Fourth, fifth and sixth. These three periods are known as the long periods. And last, seventh period is incomplete period. I hope you understood that. In our next lecture, we will learn about transitional element, inner transition element, lanthanides and actinides. Thank you, student.